You know what time it is. I'm gonna put this on. There you go. Making a chicken Philly. Got your bacon, your seasoned chicken. I already went ahead and toasted the bread. You got eggs, sliced onions, and pepper jack cheese. So while your chicken is cooking, I went ahead and broke up the bacon and make a spicy mayo, sriracha and mayo, you know what I'm saying, whatever your choice. And these are the seasons that I use for the chicken. Low salt, hate salt most of the time. And of course your eggs are gonna be last. So after you assembled it, we're gonna load that bad boy here with some pepper jack. Woo. As I lay down laws like Island Coppin. And put it back up in the oven on broil. Sheesh. Bread test. You hear that? Yeah, she crispy. Oh man. I go like this, like that, and voila! It's so easy. Yeah, man.